Our plugins Warping Wheels, Color Cone, and LUT Mixer got a new useful toolbar in which you can save the settings of the plugins as a preset. Just type in the name for your preset into the panel and then click on the disk button beside. By the way, the LUT Mixer also saves your loaded LUTs into your preset so that you don't have to keep them in the original folder on your hard drive anymore. The preset system works cross-host, which means you could save a preset in Photoshop, then use it in Premiere and reuse it in After Effects to refine a copy, which you then apply in Final Cut Pro X as well. This way, you have all of your looks with you and you can use them wherever you are. If you want to delete a look, pick it from the list and click on the small trash can icon. But as soon as you change something in the settings and it's not the original look anymore, the trash can icon will be hidden again. You can also find the presets as a file on your hard drive, so you can easily save and even share them with your friends. If you want to export a look as a LUT, you can just use the adjacent LUT export button. If you use Windows, you have a drop-down where you can choose between Cube and 3DL. But if you're using a Mac, you can just change the file extension since the plugin will register it and save the LUT as a 3DL file. Using the X button in the toolbar, you will close the plugin without using the settings. Not to be confused with the X button of the program window, since this will close the window and apply the settings. By clicking the curved arrow button, you can reset all of the plugin settings, which I won't do now because I still want to show you the feature of the eye symbol to compare the before and after of the created look without closing the plugin window.